Now you will see step by step how to create a YouTube channel even as a complete beginner and start earning money with it. You can do this worldwide for 100% free on any device you want. First I will show you the process on the computer and then on your mobile phone. The reason I'm creating this video is that on this channel, YouTube Journey to Freedom, I help people to make money on YouTube. And sometimes people tell me in the comments of this channel or in my main channel, Learn to Make Honest Money Online,
Hey, I'd like to make money on YouTube, but I don't yet have a channel. How can I get started?
after watching this video, you will have your very own YouTube channel and you can start earning money with it like I and millions of other people from all parts of the world are doing. Let me show you how to get started. You can either type on Google, create YouTube channel and click this one right here, or alternatively you can just go to youtube.com and then on the right hand side you click sign in and then here it says create account. Then you can choose here my personal use or work or business use. You can choose which one defines you better and then click this one right here. You notice that you will create a Google account because your YouTube channel will be related with your Google account, right? First you fill out your first name and last name. For example, if your first name is James, you type it here. If your last name is Johnson, you type it here. If you already have a Gmail address, so Google email, you can type it here. If you don't have one already, you click here create a new Gmail address instead. Then you create an email address that you want to use. Notice that you can create a complete new one, so you don't even need to have an email address to create a new YouTube channel. Then you create a strong password right here. I recommend that you save it in your password manager and then you click here copy and then you paste it right here and then you click here next. Alternatively, if you already have a Google account, you can simply click here sign in instead. Next you will verify your phone number and it says optional, but it says that Google will use this number only for account security, so I would recommend that you add it. Then you can also add a recovery email address. It's also optional, but I recommend you do that for additional security. Then you will fill out your birthday. For example, if you are born in the 1st of January 1986, you fill that one out there. Then you choose here your gender. Are you male or you rather don't want to say? And then you click here next. Then you can check out the privacy and terms. And once you agree with them, you click here I agree. And that's it. Now the new YouTube account has been created. You can see here on the right hand side, James Johnson private@gmail.com. Not even a phone number was needed. When you want to finish the process, you click here create a channel. Then you give your channel a name. If you don't have ideas for a channel name, you can go to business name generator and you can get ideas. Let's say that your YouTube channel is about tech. We can get a lot of ideas right here. Nomad Tech sounds interesting to me, so I will name this channel Nomad Tech. And here you can choose a channel handle that will show up in the comment section when you leave comments. And here you can also upload a picture for your channel, but you can also do that later. Then you simply click here create channel and you can see this new channel has been created called Nomad Tech. Now I will show you how to start the same process on your mobile phone and then I will show you how to finish the optimization of your channel and start earning money. The first step is to open a YouTube app on your mobile phone. If you don't know how to find a YouTube app, you can simply search for it here on Google Play Store, or if you are on Apple devices, you can also use the search button on Apple Store and then download the YouTube app. Once you have downloaded, you click here open and here you will click on the top right corner. You will immediately see the way to create a new YouTube channel if you don't have already one. Since I have it already, I will simply click this one right here. Next, you will click this plus sign right here on the top and then it starts exactly the same process that I just showed you on the computer. So if you already have a Google account, you type it right here. If you don't have, you click here create account. Then you choose, for example, for myself, and then you type your name. If your name is James, you type it right here. You choose the birthday, for example, January 1st, let's say 1995, and gender, you choose male, and then you click here next. Then you choose a Gmail address that you want to use, and you simply follow the steps on the screen, and you will end up in the same screen like we are on the computer. So let me show you the next steps moving forward. Once you see this view, you can come to the top right corner and click here YouTube Studio. Then it says welcome to YouTube Studio, and you will click here continue and start optimizing it. Before I show you the steps for optimizing your channel, if you are enjoying that I show you how to create your YouTube channel and earn money from YouTube, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this channel with all of your friends who like to receive money from YouTube so they can get money as well. Next, what you want to do is to come to customization and settings section. You will start with basic info, branding and layout, and then you will go to the settings and you will verify your channel. Let me show that as an example from my main channel, Learn to Make Honest Money Online. So basic info, this is the information that will show up here on the about page. So here I say the mission is to help ordinary people to make a life-changing income online. And on this channel I show honest ways to make money online, and I reveal the best strategies that I have used myself. I have also added there an email address for business inquiries, and I advise you to do so as well if you want to make money with YouTube sponsorships. Here you will see your channel address, also known as URL, and you can also create a custom URL right here. For example, I have put Learn to Make Honest Money Online, which is easier to type than this string of letters and numbers in a random order. Then you can add links, and these links will show up right here on the channel when people are seeing it on the computer. You can add several, or you can just add one, as I have done here. Make money on YouTube now on this channel, Tube Journey to Freedom. You can see that it highlights one of them in a way that it shows all the text. For the other ones it doesn't show the text. And here you can choose how many links you want to show up right there. I recommend that you add at least one if you want to make money, because you can earn a lot of money by copy pasting links to your channel. Then you can add also contact info, and you can easily change this one. For example, I will copy this one, then I will scroll down, then I will paste it right here, and then I will click here publish, and you can see the changes have been published, and if I want to check it I can also see it right here. Next, you want to add the branding for your channel, so you want to add a picture and a banner image and the watermark. For this channel I have just a watermark at the moment. Click here so people can subscribe there, but you can also put more personal branding. If you are wondering how to get this profile picture and banner image, you can simply come to canva.com. If you don't know how to go to Canva, I will also leave you a link in the description where you can get it yourself. And here you can create all kinds of things related to YouTube. So you type here simply YouTube, and here it says YouTube channel logo, YouTube banner, and let's say if you want to create YouTube banner, you click right here. With banner we mean this one right here. It immediately gives you probably hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different templates, so you can simply choose which one you want to use. This one looks quite professional, so you can click here customize this template. Then you can drag and drop your own photo right here, and you can put your name here, or in this case if our channel is called Nomad Tech, I can also type here Nomad Tech, and here you can easily change the font to make it whatever you want. Reviews on technology would be one, or if you want to delete that you can just keep this one as well, and you can also drag and drop it, make it bigger, smaller. You can see Nomad Tech. You can also easily change the colors of your text by clicking right here on text color, and then here you can choose whatever you want. Even red, you can see simply by moving your mouse you can change everything easily. Here you will see technology review. You can change that one as well. You can see here the color palette. You can change it to anything you want, and that's how easy it is to change these templates. Now if you want to create something more, let's say YouTube channel logo, you can click right here, and here it gives you different templates for channel logo. You can see right here whatever you want. You can click one of these, for example here, customize this template. You can drag and drop your own photo right here. Once you are ready, you click here share, then you click here download, then you choose here PNG, and then you click here download, and you can see it's been downloaded immediately. Then you can choose this one. If you think it's ready, you can again do the same, download PNG, Then you can simply come to your channel and you can click here upload, and then you can simply drag and drop this one right here. And you can see how it will look on all devices. You can drag and drop this one right here. You may want to adjust it a little bit, but you can easily change that here on Canva as well. Let's put this one right here, done, and then we click here publish. When you come back to your channel, you can see that it's done right there. We might adjust it a little bit to make it fit better, especially this technology review right there, but this is just to show you an example how everything is being done. Then you can upload the picture. You click right here, again you drag and drop, you see the picture right here, and then you simply click here done. Then you click here publish, it says changes published. When you go back to your channel and you refresh the page, you will see it right here. And in the same way, you can add all the other information right here. In the beginning, you cannot yet add the layout, but let me show you from my main channel, Learn to Make Honest Money Online. When people come right here, they see all kinds of things. For example, they see many channel members right here. They see different playlists from different websites and mobile apps that they can use to start making money. And here they see the latest videos. You can customize all of this again here in the channel customization. And then by clicking here layout, you can see that I have chosen a specific video for people who haven't subscribed yet. It's something that encourages people to subscribe. And then a video for returning subscribers that a lot of people like to watch. And here is a member recognition. It's a thank you for all the channel members. And here I have chosen the specific playlists, and you can also choose featured channels. For example, on my main channel, I have featured this channel Tube Journey to Freedom. Next, I also recommend that you come here to settings and you set up all the information right here. You can add channel keywords, also known as tags. Then you can set up the country of residence. Your residence doesn't affect how much money you will be earning. You can earn as much money in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh as people can earn in United States, United Kingdom, Australia, or whatever country. Then you choose advanced settings and you can tap the boxes right here. On featured eligibility, I recommend that you verify your phone number right here so you can upload videos longer than 15 minutes, and you can also add custom thumbnails. And then I recommend that you verify yourself. You can do it with one of these, either by showing a picture of your ID, or by publishing enough videos, or by sending them a video verification. Here on the upload defaults, you can add all kinds of things that you want to get uploaded into the descriptions of your videos by default. Visibility, I recommend putting unlisted, so all the new videos will be published as unlisted. And here you can also choose the video language. For example, if your videos are in English, you simply choose English right here, and you can always save whenever you want. Here you can add permissions if you want to give access to other people to your channel. For example, channel managers, you can click here invite them, and you can choose how much access they have for your channel, so they cannot delete content or something like that if they are, for example, editors or below. Here in the community, you can manage moderators, approve users, hide users, and block, for example, curse words. And you can also block links if you don't want that people start spamming links into your YouTube comments. Once you have your very own YouTube channel, you are ready to start getting money from YouTube. There are many ways how you can receive money thanks to your channel. One of the easiest ways for beginners is, of course, adding links in the description below your video. Of course, remembering to add link right here on your channel page. And as you know, a lot of people are making thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars every single month simply by copy pasting links on YouTube, like I am doing. And the best ones are earning even millions of dollars through those links. Probably the most popular website copy pasting links from is Amazon.com. So whenever you come to Amazon, if you copy a link from right here, you click here copy, and then you paste it below your videos, and somebody decides to click them, you will start earning money. If you are wondering how to copy paste links into the description of your video, you simply come here to details of your video, then you can simply come here and click here paste. You can see it right here. If you click here save, it will be public and people will be able to click it. Another easy way to make money is, of course, YouTube ads. So when you come here to monetization, with one click you can choose whether you want to make money with ads or not. If you click here off, You don't earn money from ads. If you click here on, you earn money from ads. If you are wondering what are those ads, they are, for example, these ads that are shown before the video and ads that are shown right here on the right hand side, or some ads are also shown right here on the lower third, and sometimes there are even mid-roll ads. In other words, they are shown in the middle of the video. Here is another ad, some game. Of course, you can also earn money from channel membership. So when people subscribe to your channel, you will start receiving money, and that is also automated income stream. So you receive money from YouTube every single month automatically. And of course, eventually as your channel grows, companies will start contacting you and they will start sending you money for mentioning their products in your videos. If you want to learn step by step how to make money on YouTube, I have two recommendations for you. The first one is of course my Tube Journey to Freedom program, where I show you hand by hand how to go from zero to making a life-changing income on YouTube, how to create successful videos, how to monetize your channel step by step, how to master affiliate marketing, which is also known as making money copy pasting links online. I just gave you an example from Amazon, but they are much more profitable websites. Amazon pays you quite easily because everybody knows that, but there are websites that will pay you much more when you copy paste a link. So I look forward to seeing you inside of this program and helping you hand by hand. And of course you will learn on my channel Tube Journey to Freedom. I have prepared specific playlists for you depending on how you like to make money. For example, if you want to make money on YouTube without showing your face, make money on YouTube without AdSense, growing a successful YouTube channel, and much more. If you prefer to make money without showing your face like many other people, then simply take your finger and click this playlist right here and you will learn to make money on YouTube even without showing your face.